Yeah, yeah, yeah. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is just going to be a eye look because I already did Ziffis. And I just thought that it would be kind of just a sit down, do my eye look. Yeah, just a very simple video. So what I'm going to start out with, the first palette is the Dose of Colors I Love Sarai palette. And then I'm going to pick up this pink shade here called Finders Keepers. And I'm just going to go in with a fluffy blending brush to pop that bad boy into the crease. Maybe a little bit too much, but it's okay. Then I'm going to jump into the Magic by Juvia's palette, and I'm going to pick up this shade right here. I cannot pronounce these names, so just bear with me. And I'm just going to take a Morphe brush here, the M576, and just blend that into my crease. And I'm just going to go back in with Finders Keepers from the Dose of Colors palette and just blend it out. So the next color I'm going to take, I'm still going in with the Magic by Juvia's palette, and I'm going to take this color up here, this gorgeous blood orange color, and I'm going to take that on a Morphe RG18 brush. And blend this into the crease as well. Then just going back in with the M578 brush and picking up this color here. And then I'm going to jump into the Dream Street, the ColourPop Kathleen Lights collaboration. And I'm going to pick this color up here, which is called Elfish, I believe. Yes, Elfish. And I'm going to take it on the same brush that I had, the Morphe RG18. And I'm going to focus this color on the outer V portion of the eye. Deepen this up out here. I'm going to focus it out there and then also put a tad bit in the inner portion of my eye. The inner corner. And I'm going in a little bit with the Finders Keepers and just blending it out. Cool. And then just do the same thing on the eye. Pick up that brown shade from the Dream Street palette and just focus it out here in the outer corner, and then we'll put it in the inner corner as well. Alright, and then I'm going to go in with something new here. It's going to be the Supernova Shadow by Kathleen Lights. It's part of her Zodiac collaboration that she did. Do I want to go in? Actually, no. I am going to go in with the Supernova Shadow, but I'm going to go in with this rose gold one. It is Constellation. So I'm not too sure how to work with this yet, so we're just going to try and just put it on and let's see how this goes. Ooh. Ooh, bitch. Bitch. This is my first time using this bad boy, and Lord. Damn. Now I'm going to go back into this shade here called Elfish and just blend out the Supernova shadow with the brown here. Just dabbing over it. So what I'm going to do now is just add some lashes. So let's see here. Which ones do I want to use today? I think I'll go with these ones. And again, the lashes that I used came in a pack that I bought from Amazon, and I actually like them. They're these ones right here. If you guys want to find them, they come with this one, these fun ones. Oops, they're all getting stuck together. These ones right here. Oops. And these ones. I really like them. They're just really nice to have a variety of eyelashes, and they only cost me about $15. So kudos to you, Amazon. Kudos to you. So for the lower lash line, I am going to go into the Juvia's palette here, and I'm going to pick up some of this brown color, and I'm just going to put that on the Morphe RG8 brush. And we're just gonna run this under the lash line. Next, I'm gonna take this shade up here on a flat e.l.f. brush. We're just gonna run this really tight to the lashes. I mean, like super tight. Super. Bam! And just taking that RG8 brush, no extra product left on there, and just running it under. And then because I want to have a little bit of fun, I'm going to go in with the NYX Retractable Eyeliner Crayon in Deep Purple. And we're just going to pop this into the waterline here. Ooh, yes. I like the purple. So now I'm just going to pop on some mascara. Just a tad bit, not a lot. Alright, for lips, I'm going to go in with Scorpio Moon from the Kathleen Lights ColourPop Zodiac collection. I mean, look at this color. And this is their Luxe lipstick. And then I'm going to add a little bit of the Dose of Colors I Love Sadai in Barely There lip gloss. And then to top it off, we're just going to spray some of this Mario. Yeah, I don't know how to pronounce the name still. So that is it for today's video, guys. I really hope you all enjoyed it. I really like this look. I really liked creating it. I think these look make my eyes popped out. My eye color popped out extra delicioso today. So that being said, guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Also hit that notification bell. That way YouTube will let you know when I upload. That way you never miss a video of mine, because I think I'm pretty hilarious. But and also give this video a thumbs up. That way I know you guys like these types. I cannot talk today. Can I speak English? Lord help me, Jesus. That way I know you guys like these types of videos. But let me stop rambling on, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.